Howdy everybody and welcome back to T.Cobb's Eats. Today's task will be creating a s'mores cheesecake without turning on the oven. Let's see how we do. Beginning with the crust, the choice is yours to use honey grahams, chocolate graham crackers, or whichever you like. My play are these Biscoff Cookies for their unique cinnamon and caramelized flavor. While the motor's still running, in goes 6 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt. Now's the time to transfer our crust into a 9-inch springform pan. Distribute evenly with the palm of our hand. Then firmly pack it in with the bottom of a glass. Finally, we're going to clean up the sides and the edges. Now let your crust set in the fridge while we work on the marshmallow cream filling. To begin our marshmallow cream, we're going to begin with 1 cup of cold whipping cream straight from the fridge, blitz it on high until peaks form. Now with the whipped cream set aside in a small bowl, we'll now beat 2 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese until smooth. Let's add 1 7-ounce tub of marshmallow cream. Continuing to add to our marshmallow cream filling, here comes 1 cup of powdered sugar, making sure it all makes it into the bowl. As a side note, start off slowly to prevent powdered sugar from flying everywhere, and now crank up the speed. Here comes our whipped cream. Now would be a really good time to scrape the sides. Finally, for our last addition, here's 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that the crust has had a chance to set, we'll now top her off with our marshmallow cream. Let your cheesecake chill for at least 6 hours, but preferably overnight. Immediately before taking the cheesecake out of the fridge, we'll start working on our Hershey chocolate ganache with 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream set over medium heat, and continuing to stir from time to time. Once we've reached the simmer, remove from the heat. While hot, begin to incorporate Hershey's chocolate and stir immediately. We'll end up adding 4 full bars of Hershey's chocolate. Allow your ganache to cool to room temperature, then top on your cheesecake, saving some for the final drizzle. Allow it to firm up in the fridge for another 4 hours. And 4 hours later, carefully with a small offset spatula, run around the edges. Unlock your springform pan and ever so carefully remove from the cheesecake. Top her off with mini marshmallows. You can toast them in the oven if you like, but I'm trying real hard to keep this thing no-bake. Now for some crumbled up Biscoff Cookies. Finally, drizzle with some more of that Hershey's chocolate ganache.
As always, thank you for sticking around. Our question of the day will be, what is your favorite dessert? Please respond in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe so that you don't miss a beat with what's going on. Tap the bell so that you can be instantly notified. And as always, have a good one.